Finding motivation can be a real challenge for everyone at times. What you may be surprised to know is that there are several habits you might exhibit daily that could be killing your motivation. If you would like to stop killing your motivation, it could come down to adopting a new routine and making better habits. Welcome to my channel. Keep learning, stay updated. Myself Meghla, and today we discussing about 6 habits that are killing your motivation. By making some of these changes and breaking these habits, you may find that you can accomplish more and have more energy in your day-to-day life. First habit: comparing yourself to others. When you continue to compare yourself to others, it can get easy to start losing your motivation. Comparing yourself to other people can make it difficult for you even to start a task. It's likely that you will waste a ton of time thinking about the privileged position that another person is in versus what steps you should take to get there. Telling someone you admire them and treating somebody as a mentor is a great way to find your success. Still, when you are constantly comparing yourself to others' success, you will never appreciate qualities within yourself or find the motivation you need to start building your own success. Second habit: thinking more about outcomes. We often focus on the overall result rather than considering the initial actions that will produce results. Taking on a major life change or finding the motivation when you start to think about how difficult it will be to reach the outcome or how good it will feel for you to reach the outcome. Consider the first step that you could be taking. You may find yourself accomplish much more when you start approaching challenges with one first step versus all of the work that a challenge takes to overcome. Third habit: neglecting health. Neglecting your health can be one of the easiest way to kill your motivation. When you don't get enough sleep or you are getting run down, it can be extremely tough for you to access the energy that you need to complete first steps or even set goals for yourself. Ensure that you always consider your health and energy levels and adopt routines that can help you have better motivation and better overall energy level. Whether it's going for a run in the morning to maintain your physical health or making a choice to sleep at scheduled time, having more energy and more working to improve your health will make sure you can find greater motivation. Fourth habit: not having a goal or a plan. If you don't have a plan, it may be difficult for you to stay motivated or outline the goals that you will need to take on new. By finding ways to encourage yourself and properly structured goals for overcoming a challenge, you can lay out a roadmap to guide your motivation and build success in future. Without any direction, it can be hard to stay motivated and feel like you are going to progress towards your end challenge. Number 5th, you feel stuck and unchallenged. When you feel like you don't have any new ideas or simply going through the motions on your life, it can be hard to get excited and motivated again. By pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone, you can discover new ideas and make new connections to fuel your motivation. Number 6 and the last habit, procrastination and distraction. It's amazing that how much time we can waste with distractions. Spending time watching the television, logging into social media, or simply getting lost on the internet can lead to hours. These are habits that can kill your motivation as well as waste time. Scheduling some time to watch television or even browse the internet on our phone makes sure that you are not wasting too much of your energy without focusing on your goal. Proper scheduling for these types of activities will also help you with the process of set tasks to do at specific times. Focusing in on these 6 habits that are: first, comparing yourself to others; second, thinking more about outcomes; third, neglecting health; fourth, not having a goal or a plan; fifth, you feel stuck and unchallenged; sixth, procrastination and distraction. Please avoid those 6 habits, and it will be a great way that you can find new motivation and your lifestyle. Be sure to start breaking some of these habits to see a change in your energy, motivation, and lifestyle. Thank you, friends. This out today. So yeah, we are. Hope you like my work. If you are new in this video or in my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon. If you don't like the video, you can dislike this. And obviously, if you need any other topic to talking about or discussing about, you can tell me in the comment section. Thank you. See you in the next video.